that's so Venner. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So guys, today we are making some chicken kebabs. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's go. And yes, guys, for this recipe, you will need your chicken breast. Okay, I have actually cubed my chicken breast. Okay, guys, so do same to yours, or if you have any preferred choice you want to do it, just do it that way. Okay, you will need some onion, you need some bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper, you can use any of choice. Okay, guys, then I have my spice. I have some salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, curry, and paprika. Okay, use any spice of your choice. Okay, guys, let's get cooking. Okay, guys, so we are just going to halve this and separate the layers of the onion. Okay, which is going to give you that chichinga effect. Okay, guys, so keep watching. All right. And yes, guys, for the red pepper or the bell pepper, you want to cut this into biteable size. Okay, guys, do it anyhow you want. Okay, it's your kitchen, and don't forget to have fun in it. All right, guys. And yes, guys, up next you want to add your spice to your chicken breast and massage this. Okay, you want to massage and coat every one of the chicken breast. Okay, you can use your spoon to mix this up, or you can put on some gloves and just mix this up, or you can use your bare hands. It's up to you. Okay, just make sure to keep your hand clean, or make sure before you start your hand is washed properly and clean, and afterwards make sure to wash your hand properly as well. Okay, guys. And yeah, so I prefer to blend my vegetables along with the chicken breast. Okay, I want it to all marinate together. I want the flavor from the chicken to also infuse into the vegetable. Okay, guys, this is how I do it. Okay, and I'm going to add maybe 1 tablespoon of oil to this. Okay, guys, yeah, this is how I did mine. So if you have something else, you can just leave it in the comment section below. We are all learning. Okay, guys, so yes, guys, let's keep going. And yes, guys, after everything has been well incorporated, you want to put this into, or you want to cover this up and put this in the fridge for it to marinate for about 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, guys. And yes, guys, so you want to submerge your skewers or your kebab sticks in some water, so when it's in the oven it doesn't burn quickly. Okay, so whilst we are waiting, I decided to make some curry rice that is going to go along with my kebab. Okay, so you need, of course, you need your curry and you need some rice. I have some diced onion and some bay leaves here. Okay, and I have my coconut oil as well. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is just a quick one. Okay, so in a saucepan you put in some coconut oil. You can use regular oil. Okay, and then you just put in some your chopped onions and the bay leaf. Okay, but the coconut oil just gives it that it takes it there. Okay, guys, so yeah, if you have it, just use it. If not, you can use coconut milk. Okay, guys, as simple as that. Okay, so yeah, enjoy, guys. Okay guys, so this is one tip for those who forget to put some oil in your marinade. Okay, so you want to brush your griller or whatever you're going to grill the chicken on with some oil. Okay, otherwise your chicken is going to get stuck on it and you wouldn't want that. Okay guys. Okay guys, so now you take your chicken out of the fridge because it has been marinating for over 30 minutes now. Okay, so everything is ready and set to go. Okay guys, so you want to take your submerged kebab sticks or your suya sticks from the water, and you want to layer this one by one. Okay, I first go in with my vegetable, and you want to have vegetables in between the chicken. Okay, so whilst it's cooking, it's also infusing its flavor, and the chicken is also infusing its flavor into it. Okay guys, so keep watching. Okay. Okay guys, so a quick tip. Okay, so with whichever way you're going to grill this, make sure you have some water underneath the griller, or make sure, if you're doing it like mine, make sure you have some water in the pan. Okay, the reason why I'm saying this is because chicken can easily get dry, okay, in the oven, so you want to have something that generates a little bit of vapor or steam to it so it can continue to maintain its moisture. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you don't understand, make sure to hit me in the comment section below and I'm going to explain further. Okay guys. And yes guys, you still want to brush your chicken breast with a little bit of oil. Okay, not too much, just a little, because we already have oil in the marinade. Okay guys, and yeah, you want to bake or you want to grill this in the oven for total 20 minutes. Okay, in total you want to grill this for 20 minutes, but then within the cooking, or within 10 minutes of the cooking, you want to turn this around. Okay guys, yes, into the oven we go guys. And yes guys, so 10 minutes of the cooking, I take it out again and brush it with some oil. Okay guys, you don't need to brush it with oil, you can just turn this around, but I just decided to do that. Okay, so yeah guys. And yes guys, you put this back into the oven for it to grill for the rest of the 10 minutes and you are done guys. It's just 20 minutes and maximum 25 minutes. And guys, just look at this, tell me this doesn't look good. Get your curry rice and get some shito, or guys, this was lit, and I had this with some small salad. Oh my god guys, you need to try this. Okay, you need to try this. Okay, and then if you're even more crazy like me, you put on some suya powder. Oh yes guys, we were taking it there and we got there. Okay guys, so if you really did enjoy this video, please try this recipe out. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell as well guys. Until we meet next time, don't forget to stay safe and don't forget to mask up guys. The name is Abigail, and I'm out. Peace.